Well, our rooftop tent, the Alpha by Tuffstuff, has experienced the dreaded paint delamination issue that they had a few years ago. We contacted them and they said they are going to send us a brand new tent. All we have to do is pay shipping, but first I have to destroy it. Alright, well, I need to get the solar panel off the top. It's one of these flexible ones, but I may have overdid it a little bit on the double-sided tape, so I'm hoping I don't damage it. Well, I got the solar panel off. It wasn't easy. I went a little overboard on the double-sided tape, and but then again, I never thought I'd be taking it off. Not sure if I damaged it or not. I got several cracks. I'm hoping it's not, but I'm going to hook it up to my EcoFlow. Well, the dial is spinning, so maybe it's not damaged, or maybe it just won't charge as fast. I don't know. We'll leave it plugged in for a while and see what happens. Alright, well, I'm going to start disassembling what I can. Tuffstuff said that I'm more than welcome to keep whatever I like as long as I destroy the top. So I'm going to keep a couple things for some spare parts just in case. And honestly, I'll probably put this out on the Tuffstuff Facebook page on social media. And if there's anybody in need of something, they're more than welcome to it as long as they pay shipping. Time for some destruction. I'm gonna use the old Sawzall. Ta-da! It is destroyed. Ready for a new one.